All right, here at Metallist Manufacturing, we do a lot of material handling, tables, carts, racks, skids, things of that nature. These are a couple of tilt tables that we are doing for a customer, and I'll give you a quick rundown of how this particular tilt table will work. So it is capable of handling 800 to 1,000 pound load, and this will be part of a assembly line. And as it comes down the line, you can see on this particular model, we have it set to where the conveyor is level to the floor, and therefore the product will come across from another workstation onto our conveyor. And then I'll run it through a range of motion for you here that the operator will select to move the table down. It will actually take the conveyor, tilt it so it's 90 degrees to the table before it does that tilting motion. Then this is what's called our swing away conveyor. So now the operator has full 360 degree access to work on the product. Any side of the table is obstruction free. You'll see on the corners, two of the corners, we have 180 degree scan zones. So if I'm within a certain amount of feet of this machine, I'll get a scanner alert message and no movement can be initiated as a safety precaution. So now that we are down into this setup, I can run my pop-up. And this particular pop-up is a center mounted spinner that the operator can choose any particular height that they want. This one's lined with felt to protect, and then also spins. So if they are working on whatever unit that is on the table, they can spin it around 360 degrees. There's a brake feature for that. So I can brake that. And now I have an air brake that locks my spinner into place. Release my brake. I can drop my pop-up. And I can run my table back up. So we build a lot of these tables every year. All of them are typically built to the customer's specs, the table size, the weight capacity, whether there is a pop-up, if it's bar style, rod style. This one's a circular, what we call our cake spinner style. The width of the conveyor can be made to your specs. The pass line height from the floor to the conveyor made to your specs. Everything's designed, built in-house. We wire, program, do 100% of it right here. This is a Formica top. If you're wondering what that top surface is, and coated rollers. So everything on this table is designed to protect the product that will be coming on and off the table. So there's a great idea of what a tilt table for Metallist would look like. And I'll give you a quick little walkthrough here just to give you an idea of our design and build quality. Everything plumbed and wired very cleanly, labeled, so it's maintenance friendly. We like to overbuild things. This table should see 20 years in a factory environment, multiple shifts without any issues. So if you'd like to learn more about material handling solutions from Metallist, would like us to quote something similar to a tilt table like these, please reach out to us with the online form on the website. Give us a call at 641-628-1411, or you can email info@metallistmfg.com. Thank you very much for taking a look.